Today's video is regarding HP OfficeJet 8010 series printer. I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi Direct setup. So that is the inbuilt Wi-Fi we are going to use, and you can use it if you do not have home or office Wi-Fi network. First step is to switch on the printer and go on the display panel. Scroll down the top bar and you will see there is a Wi-Fi Direct icon on the top of this screen. That is here, which is this one. It looks like this, and once you click on this one you will see the name of your printer, Wi-Fi Direct, and the password is written here, and we have to use this password. Next step is to go to any device. For example, I have an Android device here, and we have to simply open the Wi-Fi setting and wait for the Wi-Fi to show up here, that is Direct HP OfficeJet. Click on that. Enter the password as it was displayed on the printer screen. Click on the connect button. So this password will be different for every printer. Go back. Now we have to open the HP Smart app. Open the HP Smart app. We have to add the printer here. For that, simply click on the plus button on the top of the screen or add your first printer, and you will see the name of the printer series displayed here. Click on that. Once you click, it will show up all the details here. You can see the printer is set up. You will see your printer is added instantly here, and from here you can do the wireless printing and scanning. So this way we can do the Wi-Fi Direct setup. Thanks for watching.